Hey guys, it's Dr. Chelle. Thank you for caring about yourself and coming and watching the Dr. Test Prep YouTube channel where I'm going to help you improve on the PSAT and SAT. Right now we are doing Unit 7, Lesson 3 on percentages from Khan Academy. I've got some harder examples. Number 6 we could write as an exponential function, but I'm going to show you how to do it as a percentage. If you have my book, we are on page 125. If you don't have my book, guess what? I love you. It doesn't matter. You don't need the book. You just need paper and pencil. The book is just to keep everything organized. Let's look at number 4. A rectangle's length is increased by 25 and its width is decreased by 20%, 25%, and the width is decreased by 20%. What's the net percentage change in the area? Well, we know area equals length times width. So basically what's happening is these are going to be constant between the two. So first, for the length, we're increasing it by 20%. So I've got 1 plus 0.25. So that's how the length changes. But the width changes by going down 20%. And that's the net change because the length and the width original values still stay there. So all I'm typing in is 1 plus 0.25 times 1 minus 0.20. So what is the net percent change in the area? There's no change, okay? It ends up canceling each other out. Simple. If 15% of a group of students ride their bikes to school and there are 120 students in total, how many students do not ride their bike? So we're going to have our 120 and we're multiplying it by 1, but we need to take out the 15% of students who ride their bike. So I'm going to do 1 minus 0.15. And this is it. Like, these are considered the challenge questions, believe it or not. I didn't need really parentheses over that, but that's okay. How many students don't ride their bikes? 102 students. Okay, now this next one you can do as an exponential function, but we're going to do it in terms of percentages. So we're starting off with 25,000. A car depreciates by 20% each year. If the car was originally worth $25,000, what would be its value after 3 years? So year 0, it's 25,000. Then it depreciates. I'm going to do 1 minus 0.2. That's the first year. The second year, whatever my new value is, I have to again take 20% out. And then whatever it is again, I have to take 20% out another time. Hello. 1 minus 0.2. And then this number gets our answer. Now, the way we could have done it as an exponential function is just to pre-teach exponential functions, is we're still doing the 1.02, 1 minus 0.2 here, and here we would put x. And instead of x, because it says 3 years, so that would be the equation, we would just type in 3. So I'm going to show it to you both ways just to show you how it works. So I've got the 25,000 initial, and I'm going to multiply that by the 1 minus 0.2. And then I have to do it for the year 2, 1 minus 0.2. And then I have to do it for year 3, 1 minus 0.2. And we get 12,800. So the other option would be to do it as an exponential function. We're going to hit the shift 6 to get our exponent up. And then because it wants year 3, instead of the x, I'm just going to type 3. And this needs, oh, nope, I need to have 3 as the exponent. And then we get the same answer, y equals $12,800. So either way that you do it, it works. I would probably do this the exponential way because we're on percentages. I showed it to you that way. All right, this concludes Unit 7, Lesson 3. So before you subscribe and go back to Khan and answer the questions in Khan Academy. And then when you're done, you can come on back and we're going to go into center, spread, and shape distributions. See you soon.